big question. Second in the FBS with 9. 7 picks, 2 fumbles. There's Jared Casey on the flat. Casey keeps full speed. Play action. Daniels throwing on the run. He loves this. It's initially a touchdown, but did he step out of bounds? What about it? Everything has changed. Hoover with the dart to Savion Williams. And Savion get the longest run of the season from Frogs at 20 yards. And there's picked out of the air. Jake, 39 certainly does not help. Daniels, quick feet on the run. That's going to be first down yardage. Hoover, 5 of 7. Looking downfield on the scramble. That is McAllister. 3rd and 3 for Josh Hoover, and that is on the money. Daniels will throw, and that is a strike. Hoover has time, letting it fly. Picked off! O.J. Burrows! Looking that way, grown man catch! I apologize for that. Some issues getting the shame. We'll check back in just a moment as there's Drake down 11 yards for him. Play action. Across the middle of the field to Lawrence. That's what he said was his #1 goal this year. Finish, stay healthy. Daniels, shot, open receiver. Complete to Luke. Leading TCU to a touchdown to Besh. How does he open up the second half? Awkward angle, low throw to Savion Williams. Does have the 1 interception. Play action for Hoover. Felt the pressure like a pro and finds Besh this season for Besh. Williams wasn't looking. Dotson got the interception. How do they respond now? As TCU is quickly taking the momentum back. Daniels almost trips. And Daniels falling out of 2024 ESPN 300 class. So a big time recruit. Hoover stays alive. He's got McAllister. How did he get that off? How does McAllister stay up and keep cruising? Unreal! Hoover, McAllister.
They got to know the situation better.
Was able to pick up the first down. Daniels is hit hard. Oh no! How'd he do it?
Want to talk about a spectacular play? Oh my gosh! I couldn't tell if he was the receiver or the defender.